Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I have decided to give you some technical knowledge about the aircraft. Well, it's been very long since we have done any informative videos, so it has been a conscious decision to do some informative videos which will help you in your career as a pilot. If you remember, I had already told you about the types of forces that act on an aircraft. In a straight and level flight, there are four forces that act on an aircraft: the force of lift, the force of weight, the force of thrust, and the force of drag. All these forces are very important. So in my video today, I am going to be telling you about drag. There are various kinds of drags that act on an aircraft when flying through air. So let me tell you about the parasite drag, which includes the skin friction drag. A skin friction causes a continual reduction of the boundary layer kinetic energy as the flow continues back along the surface of the wing. The surface roughness causes the laminar flow to change into a turbulent flow. Now, the method of reducing skin friction drag is called polishing. The next type of drag is called the form drag. The form drag is caused by the frontal area of the aircraft. Basically, your aircraft is flying like this, it faces the air, so whatever area, the frontal area, that drag is known as the form drag. The method of reducing form drag is by streamlining. Now, the next type of drag is called the interference drag. When considering a complete aircraft, parasite drag will be greater than the sum of the parts. Additional drag results from the boundary layer interference at the wing oblique fuselage or the wing or engine nacelle and other such junctions. Filleting is necessary to minimize the interference drag. And the last form of drag, and a very important form of drag, is called the induced drag. Induced drag is the undesirable byproduct of lift. The wingtip vortices modify upwash and downwash in the vicinity of the wing, which produces a rearward component of the lift vector known as the induced drag. The lower the indicated speed, the higher the angle of attack, the stronger the vortices. The stronger the vortices, greater is the induced drag. I hope my video today helps you in understanding drag. If you are someone who's preparing for your written examinations or for your airline examinations, all the best. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Epaulettes. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!